My name is Ivan Armendariz. I am the drummer for Espial as well as Ivan and the Dandelions. I've been playing respectively music for about 12 years and drumming about a year and a half to two, especially with the newest project that I'm starting at the beginning of 2025. I prefer to play with the 5A reach. I'm actually interested in moving to try 7A, something a little bit lighter, easier, faster. In regards to Collision Drumstick as a brand, I think some of the things that come across to me as the most integral parts of what they do is it's a family-run business, and I am a twin, and my twin brother is the drummer for my other project, the F&Gs. So it's kind of nice to be in an industry with your family and your loved ones. It's very supportive. It's a healthy environment to have. The product that Collision provides is phenomenal. The sticks do not break. They last way longer. I never have to buy more. It's a good problem to have. And I also love how much the Collision provides a community and resources, the directory and all that sort of stuff to really kind of create a network that can depend on each other and have a unity with something like the Collision brand and imagery. So the song I chose to play for my drum cover is a single from Ivan and the Dandelions, and it is titled Nicotine Ballerina.
Nicotine ballerina, could've sworn she was an angel. She's not a girl, California. She'll never say that she didn't warn ya. Got 13 years stuffed in your bag, slung over your back like you're gonna be crucified. You gotta carry that weight, girl, so we can capture it on the 8-track. In my basement, where I started to hoard away all the memories of the shit from my past. Nicotine ballerina, could've sworn she was an angel. She's not a girl, California. She'll never say that she didn't warn ya. Make you a table, sing you a melody, and you promise me you're stable, that one day you will take care of me. Nicotine ballerina, could've sworn she was